Let's jump right in and start creating our first Excel spreadsheet. When you first open Excel, the software opens a new blank workbook. If you already have a spreadsheet open and wants to create a new one, just select the Microsoft Office button and select New. The new workbook dialog box opens. Blank document is highlighted by default, so go ahead and click Create. Now your new blank workbook appears in the window. The next thing you need to know is how to insert text. All those rectangles you see are called cells. The cells will be where your text appears. Each cell has a name or reference based on the column and row where it is located. For example, this cell is C3 since it's in the column C and row 3. This cell is where that column and row intersects. Looks like we are ready to add some text. I want to work on creating a spreadsheet that will help me keep track of my monthly expenses. So let's select cell A1. As you select the cell, you will see the name of that cell appears in the name box. Let's type monthly budgets. You can see as you type, the text appears in cell A1 and in this box, which is called as formula box. This is where any formulas or text you write in cells will appear. As I click off the cell, you will notice the text extends past the column line. But that's okay, you can change this later. Since I want to keep my budget for the entire year, I should probably make columns for each month I receive bills. Okay, let's go down to 7C and type January. We'll use the Tab key to move over to 7D and type February. Tap to 7E and type March, and so forth. Keep in mind, so you can move from cell to cell using the Tab key, the arrows on your computer, or by simply using the mouse to select a specific cell. You can also use page up and page down button on your keyboard to navigate the spreadsheet as well. Now in 7A, let's type bills. And this column will type out all the categories of bills we need to pay each month. I'll start in 8A with some of my expenses like my rent. And I will use the down arrow key to come in 9A and insert car payment. Then in 10A, I'll put life insurance. Now if I make a mistake, I can simply use the backspace key to make the correction. And if I already moved on and then decide that I wanted to delete all the text in the cell, I can simply select the cell and press the delete key on my keyboard. You also have the option to make changes to the text from the formula box. See, if I want to change life insurance to health insurance, I can make the changes directly over here. Some people find this easier, but you can decide what works for you. In cell 7B, let's type date. Now in this column, I can type the date when my bills are due. When you're ready to save the workbook, click the Microsoft Office button. If this is the first time you're saving the file, you want to select Save As. Save As allows you to name the file whatever you like and also choose the location where you'd like to save the file. Next, I'm going to choose Excel workbook. Now this is because I want to save my file as an Excel workbook. Next, I'm going to choose to save the file to my desktop, and I'd like to name my file Household Budgets. Then click Save. If I'm sending the file to someone who does not have Excel 2007, I can save my file as an Excel 97 to 2003 workbook. This way, the other person who does not have Excel 2007 can share and edit the workbook I created. Now I successfully saved my file and I'm ready to move forward with my budget.